Hey guys, this is Goldy again, and in this video, I'll show you how you can export your G Suite users aliases right into your Google Sheet by using this add-on called Ok Goldy. So with that, let's get started. Just a quick note, I'm assuming that you have already installed Ok Goldy add-on. If you haven't yet, please go back and look at my other videos. If you like the add-on, install it and then come back watch this video. So with that, let's see how you can export G Suite user aliases in bulk right into your Google Sheet. So you will go to sheet number 14, which says export user aliases, and here you just need to provide one piece of information, that is the user's primary email address, for which you want to know how many email addresses he owns as nickname. So I will just type like Princeton, that's one of my users on my domain, which has 5 email aliases. Once I provide that information, I'll go to add-on, I'll go to OK Goldy alias manager and click on 14 export user aliases. Script will run and will tell you that this user owns 5 email aliases and will also give you the count of 5 here. But in case if you need to like add more users, instead of adding here, like if I do Plainsboro, which is another user, and if I want to know his aliases, script will actually check aliases of Princeton 5 times and will put 25 aliases here, like 5 and then 5 again, just for these users. So it's idle that do not put the same address here more than once. So what you should do ideally is, in this case, just delete, just let me delete all of these and only have unique users in this column. So even if you have 1, 2, 3, maybe I can put mine too. So 3 users, and then you will go to add-on OK Goldy alias manager, export aliases, and then sheet will give you that the Princeton one has 5, Plainsboro one has 5, and I got 5 too. So hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, put that under this video and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.